Hi everybody, here's the solutions for challenge 3. So A says 4 and 5/6 times 3. So changing to an improper fraction, 4 times 6 is 24 plus 5 is 29. So 29/6 times 3. 29 times 3, first of all, I'm going to round that up to 30 times 3, which gives me 90, and take away the 3 units that I added on. So that gives me 87/6. I divided 87 by 6 and I got 14 remainder 3. So my answer is 14 and 3/6. Or if you simplify that, you could say 14 and a half. Question B, 3 and 4/8 times 5. 3 and 4/8 times 5. Well, 3/8 are 24 plus 4 is 28. So 28/8 times 5. 20 times 5 is 100 and 8 times 5 is 40. So I've got 140/8. And I'm going to divide that to C. That gave me 17 remainder 4, which means my answer is 17 and 4/8, or if you're simplifying it, 17 and a half. On to question C. 4 and 5/9 times 4. 4 9s are 36, plus the 5 is 41, so that means I have 41 9ths times 4. 41 times 4. 4 times 40 is 160. And 4 times 1 is 4, so I have 164 9ths, which I'm going to divide. When I did that, I got 18 remainder 2, so my answer is 18 and 2/9. There's no way to simplify that answer, so 18 and 2/9 is the only answer you could put for that. Okay, looking at question D, that's 5 and 2/7 times 6. 5 7s are 35, plus 2 is 37, so I'm looking at 37/7 times 6. When I'm multiplying by 6 again, I'm going to split it up into 10s and 1s. So 6 times 30 is 180. 6 7s are 42. So that gives me 222/7. So I'm going to divide that again to see how many 7s there are in 222. When I did that, I got 31 remainder 5. So my answer is 31 and 5/7. E is 3 and 3/5 times 7. So 3 5s are 15 plus 3 is 18. So 18/5 times 7, 18 times 7, 7 times 10 is 70, 7 times 8 is 56. So if we add those, we get 126 over 5, and I'm going to divide that, which gave me 25 remainder 1. Remember again, just to always show your working out so your teacher can see it. So my final answer there is 25 and 1/5, and again, that can't be simplified. F is 4 and 2/3 times 8. So 4 times 3 is 12, plus 2 is 14. So 14/3 times 8. 8 10s are 80, 8 4s are 32. So 112 when you add those together. 112/3. So again, I'm going to divide that. And I got 37 remainder 1. So my answer is 37 and 1/3. Okay, so G is 2 and 3/10 times 4. 2 10s are 20, plus 3 is 23, so that means I have 23/10 altogether, and multiply that by 4. Well, 4 20s are 80, 4 3s are 12, so it's 92/10, which is 9 wholes and 2/10. Or if you're simplifying, 9 wholes and 1/5. And the last question in part 1 is H. 5 and 4/7 times 5. 5 times 7 is 35, plus 4 is 39, so that means I have 39/7 altogether, times 5. Now in my working out, again, I'm using my mental strategies as efficiently as I can, so I'm going to pretend this is 40. 40 times 5, well, 4 times 5 is 20, so 40 times 5 is 200. Okay. But I've multiplied it by 5 and I'd added on 1 each time, so I'm going to have to take away that 5, which gives me 195/7. So when I divided 195 by 7, I got 27 remainder 6, and that means that my final answer is 27 and 6/7. Now, question 2 said choose 2 of the calculations from question 1 and write a word problem to go with them. Your teacher will look at that and see what you came up with, because everybody will have different word problems for that. Well done.